So right here we have the Timex Q reissue, and then you see a collection of straps that will fit this watch. And I just wanted to see and share what this watch looks like on different types of NATO straps, on different leather straps. So let's go ahead and see what this watch can look like once we start switching out the different straps. So first we'll just start with the stock bracelet, which is very specific to the time and authentic to the time. But some people might not like kind of that mesh thin metal bracelet. So let's see what this looks like when we switch it out. Here it is on a blue, dark blue NATO strap. Looks really good. The blue matches the blue in the bezel. And just for reference, so there it is on the blue navy strap. Here it is on a graphite NATO or a dark gray NATO. Let's get the wrist shot of this. This is on a seatbelt NATO with a black center and the gray outline. You can see the NATO fabric is a little bit more dense. It's a tighter weave. Let's see what this looks like on wrist. This is a brown leather NATO strap. Let's see what this looks like on wrist. Probably would look better if the keepers were stainless on this one. This is on a Bond NATO with the traditional gray stripes going across. So let's see what this looks like on wrist. Here it is on just a very traditional all black NATO strap. Let's see this on wrist. So I try to fit it onto this crown and buckle chevron strap, but it actually does not fit because the fabric is a little bit too thick for the gap right here. So it will not fit one of these chevron straps. So let's go ahead and start swapping this out to some of the leather. Okay, so on this we have it on a Collab Reb vintage black leather strap. So the stitching on the leather kind of contrasts really well with the vintage look of the watch. So this is the Q on black leather. Here is the Q on a orange, I believe this one is a lizard strap. So it kind of goes with the vintage feel of the watch. And to wrap it up, we're back to the original bracelet. So there you go. That was the Timex Q on just a wide range of straps. If you're interested in the watch or any of the straps, I'll put a link down in the description below. All of these straps are 18 millimeters, which is what the lug case of this watch takes.